Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can dress up as Minnie from Mickey Mouse. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can use this hairstyles and then you're going to use this makeup. But for the makeup, actually you can choose any other makeup and go to the dressing room and we're going to wear a coat item. I'm gonna go to the coats and I'm going to wear the skirt and we're going to change the pattern to this one. Okay, and then let's move to the skirt area, sorry, this shirt area, and then I'm going to wear wear this shirt, and then I'm going to change the pattern and change the toggle as well. Okay, and then I'm going to wear the sleeves and apply the same pattern. Okay, and then I'm going to wear this shoe and color it yellow. I'm going to color it yellow, and then we're going to add sock, and I'm going to color the sock black. Oops, sorry. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the stocking area. It's right here, and then I'm going to wear the stocking and color it black, and then I'm going to remove the feet, and then I'm going to wear the sock as well, this hand sock, remove the fur, and I'm going to make it short. Okay, make it short, and then I'm going to wear the sleeves and color it black. Oops, color it black, and we're going to wear ribbon. I'm going to go to this area, okay, right here, and then wear this ribbon and toggle it type 3. Okay, then apply the same pattern. Okay guys, and this is the final result. Okay, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.